Hello, dear Rocket Rug users. You can instantly create tokens at the most affordable price and get listed on Dexiner and other exchanges instantly with the fake market cap method. You can find buyers quickly. To our fake market cap method, hundreds of real wallets buy this token for you and have it pumped. After pumping, you can use the automatic rug setting or manually rug to our Telegram bot. As you can see in the video, we made a 5x profit as soon as the token was released. So more people will see your token and want to buy it. Don't forget to visit our Telegram address for more information.